hope you enjoyed that first grenade kill. It was my absolute first grenade kill, which was so much fun. And I'm gonna show you the things we bought last weekend at Frysen Airsoftcon. They had about 20% off on everything in the store. And so the first thing is, we used to use this one, the mouth guard, which has this mesh net all the way out to the side, which was a problem because I couldn't really aim with the red dot sight with this on. So I bought this instead. So it's soft in, on the sides, which makes it a lot easier to get closer to the weapon, and it's more comfortable. I also bought this grenade, as you saw, which is, you have 7 charges. You just turn this and you have 7 different charges, and it works really simple. In here you put the charges, and when you throw this gets knocked down and the pin goes out here, which pushes and makes the charge go off. Simple, easy to use. And I also bought this holder. So you just put this in and you put it on your Molle system or anywhere where you like. I tried this both on the hip and up here, but both time I actually lost it, which was really annoying. So I ended up using it in the dumping bag in the back instead, actually. So I also bought a smoke grenade. It's 90 seconds from Göteborgs fyrverkerifabrik in Sweden. I haven't used any smoke bombs yet. I've seen this in action before and it works really well. You just need to think about where the wind is going, so you don't throw it and you just get the smoke on yourself. Also I bought this Krytac magazine, which loads up 150 rounds, which is really nice. You can see here the 30 rounds. When you're getting to the end, you can actually just tilt the gun and see here if it... And also when you buy this Titanic Innovations Quake grenade, as its name is, you can buy these with 100 charges in one of these boxes. And I also bought this, which is a Velcro belt. Just put it around as tight as you can, and then the outer belt, the big belt, gets stuck on here on the Velcro, so it doesn't turn on you as easy. So you can get your magazines and everything just stays put, which is really nice to have. It made a really huge difference and made it feel so much easier to run around. And last but not least, we bought these boots, which is really nice because they protect your ankles a bit more. And also I felt a lot more comfortable running around in these on the field. I've actually sprained my ankle 3 times before, 2 times on the dirt bike and once running. So I know it hurts a lot. So this made me a lot more comfortable. Let's go back to the movie. And the first game we're playing, we in the blue team are going over to the red team's side and picking up 3 pucks and bring them. You need to bring them back and put them on the wall. When you got all the 3 back, we win the game. And also vice versa, they have 3 pucks on our side to bring back to their side. And so I really hope you enjoy this little intro, and if you like this video, please like and please subscribe, and we should continue watching the movie. See you in the next one. Bye!
där.